Alright, so back for another keyboard review. I recently bought a Keychron K8 HE. Didn't like how small it was, with the 80%, and then went for the K10 HE and kept having problems with the control key. Their support was great. They gave me a new keyboard completely and exact same issue. And after a month of like back and forth and trying to get it working, I gave up. So this time I went to Micro Center, as you can see here, and we got the Steelseries Apex Pro. This one has OmniPoint 3.0 switches. It's got lots and lots of awards, as you can see here on the box. Wired, what was that, Game Pot, Windows Central, and Artings. And it's just a generally nice keyboard. It's one of the more expensive premium keyboards they have in stock, by a good brand as well. So let's take a look, shall we? So remove the tape already. You open it up, it says For Glory, and it comes in this little bag. Let's remove that. Move the box inside from there. Ooh, quite loud. Kids are asleep, so I'm going to try being a bit quiet. I don't know. He says it makes so much noise. Alright. Interesting design. I guess that's for cable run. We'll figure that bit out in a minute. Little feet. This is plastic. At this price point of $260, I really hoped it would be metal. But that's okay. It's got a little LCD screen here in the top right. In the store they had a cat dancing on it, which was cool. Little scroll wheel. And then another, like, I guess programmable button here. Here at the top we've got a USB-C port, and you can see the switches there. Now it says that they're adjustable switches, so I guess that's like a Hall effect. We'll figure that out as we go in. What else comes in the box? Let's see, before I do the noise. Oh great, a palm rest. The Keychrons don't come with a palm rest, you have to buy separately, so it's nice to have a dedicated palm rest. Ooh, magnetic connection, so I guess it lights up. Ooh, interesting. It's not squidgy, it's firm, and it's kind of like a felt. I don't know if that's the right material, but it's like, it looks like you get fingerprints on it. It doesn't. And then this is raised, kind of rubbery feeling, which I don't like, but sure, I'll come to love it. Oh, magnetic, as you can see. It clicks on, and that's good. Alright, so in terms of what else is in the box, let's see. There's a little box here. Oh, great, a little keycap puller in case you need it. So that's empty. And in here, looks like a pack of sugar, but it's not. It's packing materials to keep it moisture out. A USB-C to USB-A. Now this is the old standard, I think it's 2.1. So it's not even that quick, which kind of sucks, but I think the keyboard also does Bluetooth, so it's not the end of the world there. The box is still pretty heavy, but there's nothing else inside the box. Alright, now, moment of truth. This is what it sounds like. Now the letters are black or grey. Now it has RGB lighting, so it's not the end of the world, it will light up. But I don't like the fact that it's not white. Just if it like lights off, I don't like the lights on, so that's just going to mean I have to have the RGB on, which it's okay, it's not the end of the world. And then the other thing I don't like just yet, but I mean I can live with, it says PU and PD rather than page up, page down. I don't know, maybe I'm just picky. I mean, I'm free keyboards in at this point, so. But, it sounds, it feels nice. Doesn't require too much pressure to press. Good. And this is a 100% keyboard, so it's got the numpad as well, and the extra space there, which is nice. And this is a little button, which goes like that. Alright, so there is the unboxing and the first look with a little bit of ASMR there. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Alright, so now it's plugged in. You can see it lights up. I haven't installed any software just yet, but my immediate impression is that this handrest, I wish it was squidgy, it being firm, isn't that great, but it's okay. And I can just take this little protector screen off. There we go. But otherwise it's nice. It responds really quick. And the default option is as you type, there's like a wave effect for that row. Just change the colours this way. So you press the little like FN or their key and the P for different programs. So it says the different configs there. I'll download the software and then we'll figure out how we can use this a bit better. Alright, so just as you can see here, I've got a little error GIF which I found online playing on my keyboard now, and that was really easy to do. I don't like the fact that I had to install, like, I consider it bloatware to my computer. There's much I can do about it. I want to be able to customize it. I did also change it to a single color because that's what I prefer. So I have to go a different part of the software to do that, but it's okay. And if I wanted to change it to like audio visualizer or breathe or color shift or anything else, I can do it in here too. But right now, that's all I want. I just want a single color, little error message, and just use it as a boring keyboard. I'm not using it for gaming, it's for work. So that's my my use case there. Alright, I hope you found this video useful.